On this episode, I chop metal with my hands. Then I weld cast iron. Welcome back to a welder's journey. I'm Jesse, and today on these brand new trucks, we have a rubbing problem. The dry shaft is rubbing against that dryer plate. And these trucks are brand new, so this is a factory defect. I think what I'm gonna do is cut an inch of the plate. But the plate is cast iron, so it's not that easy to weld back. I'm gonna give it my best. Chop it up, that's an inch off. Okay, so I'm gonna weld it like this. It's gonna be an inch shorter. First thing, we want to bevel it. Make room for you to weld it. Set it up on the plate, square it off. Make sure it's really nice and straight. Gotta have that water ice cold. Before we start welding, we gotta preheat the plate. I like to use 350 degrees. That seems to get the easier welding. Double checking the temperature. And tack it in. If you like my content, subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more videos on the way. I said tack it now. That's a long ass tack, but hey, that will do it. Turn the plate over, start welding in the back. Everybody knows if you keep welding long enough on one side, the plate will bend. Turn it over and weld it on the front. Try to get the arc here, so see if you can. I'm going to show you guys my welding last one day. It's from Auto Leather and for 50 bucks, it's really good. This is okay, this is not watching my camera. You see what I mean? It burns really white. After we're done welding it, we have to let it cool down. Slowly cool down in a blanket, special blanket. See? All welded up. I did 3 passes on each side. The good old spray can job. This is the final product. Not bad at all. Let's get it back on the truck. That's much better than before. Much better. If you like truck sounds like me, you're gonna enjoy this part.